Hello and welcome to our day. It is bright and early in the morning. Just kidding. I actually slept in today. I went to bed late last night. I don't know. I just didn't go to bed too late.
Now,
and I slept until almost 3 o'clock this afternoon. Goodness, my husband was home this morning, so I could sleep in. And again, not sure what the day holds, but we're just now getting up and moving around. Wes just got a package in the mail from Amazon, and Wes just got his first toolbox. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you that now.
Yes. Wait, take these out.
I got a new toy set in the mail.
Take these out first. Here, get your hammer. What is this? Actually, what is this called?
Hammer.
Okay, and what is this called? Screwdriver.
Yeah.
What is this called? Is that a torque wrench? No? What is that? I don't know what that is.
I think it is a wrench.
What?
Torque wrench is the one that you get like they do your tires, I think.
What is that?
I don't know.
Looks like an attachment.
Attachment.
Yeah, so you can use, I don't know, maybe like this. Oh, I see.
Ooh, you can make different screwdrivers.
Here. Now take that one off. Take that one off. Put this one on. No, here. Take that piece off. Put that one on. Put this one on. This is a Phillips head.
Phillips head?
Here. You might want to hold. You might want to get your grip up here, so you can put it in like that. Push hard. There you go.
Good job,
now this is a. What is that?
I know.
It's a screw.
Wow, that went flying.
What are these?
Listen.
What are these? These look like washers.
Ushers.
Yeah.
What's those ones?
What are these?
I know.
It's a screw, like in the game, like in Daddy's Zelda game.
Yeah, I should say do my view.
I guess. What is this? Is this a level?
No.
Yeah, it's a level.
The angle.
No.
Oh, an angle, whatever. And this is a level. This makes sure your surface is flat like this. You gotta make it flat like this. See?
What's this one?
This is our pliers. Can you say pliers?
Tires.
Yeah.
And that is all. It all goes back in there when you're done with it.
I know.
Now it's do me the hammer.
Yeah, use the Phillips head actually.
Okay.
I'm gonna turn it. Like this. Watch Daddy. See how I'm doing it?
Got another Halloween decoration, and this is a nice bath mat, and it's nice and soft and squishy. One of the groups that I belong to also had like a clear shower curtain that had like blood on it, but I thought that would be like way too much, so I just settled with the bath mat, and it's very nice because when you walk on it, it feels nice and soft. So if it didn't have the bloody feet marks, I'd probably keep it year-round. Tool. His new tool set. And I'm gonna get dressed so we can get out of the house for a little bit and see what trouble we can get into. So we are out and about getting some stuff done. I just ran into Walgreens and I got 2 Garnier Fructis stylers. We're not gonna play. This one, and this one. And they're on sale this week, 2 for $7. And then there was a $4 off 2 last week. And then there's $2 off 2 in the Walgreens coupon book. So these are 50 cents each, so definitely a great deal. And they have 12-pack sodas today and tomorrow for 3 for $9. So I paid with my points, and I only paid tax for these and my soda, so it was pretty awesome. Now we're gonna head to CVS and get some deals, pick up some Wendy's for lunch, and then head back home to chill out and relax and enjoy our night. Oh, Big Brother's on tonight. Woohoo! Can't wait for that. My husband does not understand why I like Big Brother. I watch it like every year. Well, I was going to do some deals at CVS, but their extra care box system is down, so I have to come back tomorrow. So now we're just gonna go home.
Mom, they got him.
Daddy got him?
Yeah.
Why'd you
Oh,
get him?
cool.
Yeah, it's a game.
I can't on that. He got it himself. But yeah, so we're just gonna go home and hang out. I gotta get some stuff done for my blog, and I'm gonna do a little cleaning. You know how it goes. Same stuff every day as a mom does. Oh yeah, so let's go ahead and head home. What are you doing back there?
My ice.
Oh, ice.
You got him?
No, he beat me. I don't know how to pan.
We stopped by my husband's work, and they have the best ice
Look at him. He
ever.
shot his brain out.
You think he'd be eating like candy or something? He's actually eating ice. Little pieces of ice. Because it's so hot outside, it's actually almost melted. So it's not really hard pieces of ice. They're like really, really small pieces of ice. So they're probably not too bad for his
Hey,
teeth.
you got him.
Oh, thanks.
Every major artifact that went up for auction.
You okay there? Go, go, go. My little helper, thank you. Hello guys, I forgot you in the laundry room. I'm gonna fold the laundry as I finish watching Big Brother.
And he's hitting me together. And then just got my foot up there and he got my foot and just hitting me and just got my foot and it was just hitting me.
Wes is in here playing his game, and we were just watching an episode of Game of Thrones while we were eating dinner. What do you have, Wes?
I have cool skills. I can hit somebody.
Why do you want to hit somebody?
I have just cool skills. I can hit here.
You can hit a hand?
I can hit something.
You hit your head? You hit your head. Is that a part of the cool skills?
Yes.
Oh, it is. Okay.
It's a new skill.
Whoa,
As
whoa,
long
whoa,
as you
whoa,
pretend and not hit
Whoa,
anybody.
whoa, 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 whoa.
Because Daddy, that's not nice. Daddy's gonna cry. Daddy's gonna cry. You're gonna make Daddy cry. Tell him you're sorry.
Want
Don't
some of
hit
my,
people.
want some of my juice?
Oh.
Nice and cold. Whoa, 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 spinny, spinny. Careful, don't hurt yourself. You're gonna hurt your butt, be careful.
Mess maker.
No, this has cool skills.
You know what it is? You have cool skills?
No, this is I got battle.
Why are you standing like that?
No, this is we get battle.
Oh, okay, that's how you stand when you have to battle? Oh, you dodging? You dodging? What are you doing? What are you doing?
I think like way too many.
Oh, he's jumping, he's dodging. Whoa, whoa. He's a gamer. Whoa, whoa. You're like a ninja.
No, this has cool skills.
You have cool skills?
Has
Where's Daddy's cool skills?
Has cool skills.
Can I try that?
Let Daddy have cool skills.
No, use your arm hand.
My other hand, why?
And it has cool hit skills.
Okay. That's a part of this cool skills, right? You gotta hit your head. Hit your head is a part of the cool skill. Okay. Right, like that?
Yeah.
Okay, you try.
No, this is cool skills.
You didn't hit your head yet. Oh, okay, good job.
Yeah.
Good job.
Good? Good?
Yeah, it's good. It's in there. You got it in there. It's in there already. There you go. Good job.
Are you fixing things when you're working?
You actually put that thing back in there. I took it out and put it back in.
Good?
Now to open it, you gotta spin this. See? When you spin it, it opens this.
Yes, now. Good? Assuming this was really high. This is not work.
Try turning it.
Not work. I think it sounds like funny.
Smells like funny.
Sounds like funny.
You put it back in place. It's in there now.
Yep.
You gotta use this. Where's your, look right here. Your Phillips head. Just take it out.
Good. Sounds like funny.
Sounds like funny? And don't put anything inside here, because it'll drop down in there.
You won't be able to get it back out. You gonna fix it now?
No work. Sounds like funny in there.
Sounds like funny in
Good. You still need a hammer. And it sounds like funny. I use
Did
this
you give him a
one.
tool set, like with the actual like bench?
Yes, good. Sounds like funny.
Where do you get that sounds like funny from?
No work.
there.
It's not work.
What's he doing? I get that from you. You always do that.
Good.
When you're jumping, you're like,
Is Daddy acting silly?
Good.
Excuse me. How are you doing today? You gonna cut something?
scissors
It's doing scissors?
for Littlefinger.
From Game of Thrones.
No work.
Is that your wine? Someone poisoned you?
Put it in
We've
there.
been watching Game of Thrones, guys, so these are a couple of Game of Thrones comments in case you don't watch the show.
Don't want to give it away.
Well, that's gonna be it for today's vlog. Wes is busy working over there fixing the bicycle. Hubs is back over there just chilling out.
Being fat.
Shut up. And I am here. And tomorrow I'm gonna do something with my hair. 'Cause as I mentioned yesterday, I don't like the colors. So stay tuned to see what I'm gonna do to it. See you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching.